guys, welcome back to the Thrifty Christian YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you guys really fast. This is for the newbies out there that don't really know how to ship pants or jeans. I wanted to show you the quick way and the cheapest way to do that today. So right here I have a pair of Lucky Brand jeans that I sold. Okay, I just want to start real quick by showing you how I do the fold. Basically, just taking the jeans, folding them in, folding them in half, and here at the crotch in the back, you just tuck it under. That gives it a nice square shape. Fold it over once and fold it over twice. It's real simple. And then I squeeze them into a plastic bag. Put that back up there. These plastic bags are, I think they're 9x12s. I just take a piece of tape. I take the end, and there you have it. Okay. Then I take a priority mail flat rate envelope. Okay, flat rate envelope. Take the jeans and work them inside. That's good. And I take the lip, fold it over, squeeze it so the flap is fully covered on the other side here. And then I just peel the ribbon off, squeeze them down. This is going to cost you $6.35 to ship these jeans. Or your customer. I mean, however you want to charge, but normally I do free shipping on the jeans now because I've had like 0 returns on jeans. Then I take tape and I put it on the ends where the flap has come over, just to kind of like protect that corner right there, because these are really getting handled roughly as they go through the USPS. Put another one on the end there. So again, just the corners right there, both ends. And then I put a piece here. A little bit longer of a piece right across the seam, just for an added measure. Okay? And that's it. $6.35 shipped. Now, if you're a beginner, and let's just say that your account is not top rated, you can't get the $6.35 price because, of course, you're not top rated. But in order to get that $6.35 price, what I encourage you to do is go to other shipping sites like Pirate Ship. There's a couple of other ones out there, but I personally use Pirate Ship because it's really simple for me. Create an account. I'm not getting any kickback from telling you this at all, so they will give you the discounted shipping price if you go through those other sites. Now at this point, I'm going to ship it. I'm going to print my label out real quick on my Dymo label printer, and it's going to be done. Guys, I hope this helps somebody out. If you need any other info on Pirate Ship, or if you want me to do a video on just showing you how that works, I'll be glad to do so. Just leave me a comment in the comments box below. Guys, thank you very much for watching. To all you new subscribers, thank you. I can't thank you enough. If there's anything I can do, any types of videos, please let me know. God bless each and every one of you. Thrifty Christian, I'm out of here.